Hey guys, PERVYSAGE here. We're playing on Founders Hall. Nightmare difficulty with myself, obviously, and Nuke the Whales and Soul, wherever that dumbass is. I've made it so you guys can hear them through my TV. Hopefully Soul won't be retarded like he usually is. Anyway, let's find these 8 tapes, guys. Nope. Hold on. To the left, cause that fucking rocket's over there and he'll eat your asshole out.
Slow down, you crackhead. Right?
I'm walking, I'm not even running.
Oh my god, what, are you stuck? I was. Whoa. Oh god. No. Slow your rolls.
Well, I'm waiting for him now. I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this jump scare.
I'm gonna get some stone. I'm gonna get baked on some weed. Think you're gonna walk through that wall? Or you gonna turn left? To the left. Up. No, think it's stuck in. He's looking for it.
I know I am. I'm expecting him.
I'm expecting him to crawl out of your cookie jar. If I'm the last alive, I swear I'm gonna kill myself. Like, I'm gonna find him and run up to him.
No, you're not.
I'm not gonna do this crap alone. It scares the crap.
We're not gonna be alone. You're gonna be with us. We just are going to be dead.
I was expecting it,
Wipe them down.
but I wasn't expecting it at the same time.
Expect the unexpected.
Yeah, but I was expecting your mom to give me a blowjob, but I didn't see that happening.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
No.
I said I'm sorry. Don't judge me. I have my life, you have your life. I have my friends, you have your friends. I have my funny personality, you have your hateful personality towards me.
Da.
I've got a full 360, I'm not gonna lie.
He just pops out and just disappears. I don't like that.
I almost turned around and went the wrong way.
What?
Yeah.
What? Stop. Everybody stop. Find each other.
He was to the right. He was behind that cabinet type thing over there.
I don't see him. I don't want to look at him. He pops out of my cookie jar now. God, fuck you, Rock. Nope. Oh, nope. Going back to this doorway. Those heads, though. There's a radio. Karina, it's your turn to grab one.
Looks like Brandon.
I have my headset turned down, bro, so I really can't hear you too much. I can hear you through my TV.
Do you know that song?
No, I really don't care. I'm worried about him popping. Oh, no.
Yep.
Snow.
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 You wanna build a snowman?
Or ride your bikes through the hall.
I haven't seen that movie.
Some company is overdue. I find myself staring pictures at the wall.
I haven't seen that.
Mikey Bolt's guy sings that song with Family Guy voices. It's really good. If you don't know him, please go and watch it. He's a good YouTuber. But yeah. Stuff. Stuff.
Stuff. I feel like I'm the only one left now. Oh, nope. Nope.
No. Oh, I just saw him.
I don't guarantee you're right. I got stuck on a wall.
We're doing so good, guys. We already got 4.
You want to build a snowman? You want to suck these balls? Because that song is so annoying. I've heard it like every day in the past.
I wanna get it.
Hey, no, it's my turn.
Okay, fine.
3 more, guys. We got this.
I'm gonna die first because I'm last. And I'm the boy. I'm supposed to be the bravest. God, my headset's a surround sound, and he's popping. He's growling in my right ear.
I don't like that our flashlights are flickering.
I turn mine off when it does that. It doesn't work.
Not gonna really do anything.
I know, but it gets on my nerves watching it flicker.
Guys, 2 more.
Can I get it?
We're getting so close.
Well, that's just when you beat it. Have y'all ever beat it?
I have a feeling one of us is gonna die now. I'm so scared. I have goosebumps. The noise is getting louder. I don't like it. I'm scared.
Proceed with caution.
What way?
I'm stuck. Oh, okay.
What way? Oh my god, you're going right. Oh, we're going right.
Ah, dead.
I knew it.
Brandon,
I just keep walking. Keep walking.
keep going. Don't turn around.
Just keep
going.
swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
What are you doing? Just go.
I don't know what way to go. Let's go right. Nope. Keep going straight. Keep going straight.
That totally just like squeaked.
Go right. I think we've been here.
Oh wow. Just keep going.
Or have we?
Why can't that move? Why can't? Oh, there's a bench. That's a bench.
Oh, he's after us, Karina. Keep running. Run, Karina, run.
That person is fat.
Oh, yeah, we've already been here. They're the Buddha heads.
There's this bloody foot.
I have a feeling he's gonna stick his hand in the cookie jar, and I'm not going to make it. Because 1 cookie isn't enough. He has to go for 2.
And after that, he has to have 3.
Right, because he's fat, and he can't just settle with 1 or... No! Brandon?
Yep. Now, turn around, Karina. Dang it. Oh my god, y'all separated. Brandon's like,
No, don't go that way. Don't go that way. Don't go that way.
they are.
Oh my god! No! No! He's gonna eat me!
Turn around, somebody. One of y'all gotta turn around.
No!
Alright. Look through that door.
Brandon, where did you go? I'm gonna die.
I died.
Oh.
He's like right behind you, I swear, because Brandon died right behind you. Brandon, this way.
I'm gonna have a heart attack. I'm gonna cry.
Come on, we need 2 more, Karina. That ass, though.
Like,
That
no,
ass.
this isn't the time. This isn't the time for this.
That ass.
We haven't been here yet.
Yeah, we haven't been here. It looks like a giant, messed up, deformed dick.
First.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm sorry. It does.
Is there one in here?
I don't hear one.
Gosh darn it! I was so hopeful.
Wait.
Oh, this way. Brandon, which way?
That's a great
The rock is to the right.
You can come through here.
Just keep going. Walk right past the rock.
Don't look that way.
If I can't see it, it can't see me. This is how these things work.
This is where we first started.
Oh, gosh darn it.
We went to a giant circle.
I can't wait to watch this on the replay. Why am I always in the front? Oh fuck.
You slow your wife down, we can catch you.
I'm the fucking
Oh,
ghost.
no, just stop. Just stop.
Right or left? Let's go left.
I don't know, just go. I'm following you.
No, wait.
I haven't been here yet. Haven't been here. Where'd you go, Brandon? Oh, there you are.
You never tricked me in the corner! This is not a club. You cannot ride on me. No, okay.
Nope, okay.
I know we went a big circle.
Except we ended up where we started.
We got one super fast. Found another.
Right here.
Found another. Found another. Found another. One more. We found one
We're
more.
in a circle.
Found that one.
Oh fuck.
We just followed the same path. If we could hit that middle, we probably would have got something. Hey, we just made each other. We went down the exact same path.
We did good stuff.
We're tempted and halfway succeeded.
Thank you for watching, guys. That has been White Noise Online.
Yeah.
Bye bye for now. Bye.